What is SOFOMU? SOFOMU is the Soul Food Music Festival created 7 years ago to promote the ideal of international community and describes the ideal of every food that is a cultural basis as soul food, food for the soul. Likewise, the event plans with artists who are verging or soon to become major acts who display a spirit of soul within their music and gives them introduction and support to our audience and markets. We also seek products in our vendors that support the ideal of heart and soul in their branding and bring them to an open market and audience that will be loyal to their brands and bring them to the forefront in the Inland Empire. Conscious consumerism, sometimes called ethical consumerism or conscientious consumerism, is shopping in ways one believes makes a positive social, environmental or economic impact. This impulse, commonly referred to as conscious consumerism, manifests in other ways as well. June 10, 2021. Where did conscious consumerism come from? Built-in. SOFOMU iFEST is a place for conscious consumers who spend $1 billion annually on everyday products like the ones you sell and reject products that do not support the ideal consciousness. Performers who find themselves out of the area's radio rotation and are tremendous artists will find this event to be a great stepping stone into securing the market with a dependable footprint that will bring long-lasting fan support for purchase of arts products and merch long after the event is over, and will launch artist demands for commercial availability and give the artist more streams securely, bringing more revenue and power for the artist to sustain longer in the industry. Vendors of foods are needed from every ethnic background and varieties to educate some participating audience members and to feed those from the countries of food origins the food from the soul of the vendor, which we ask that vendors make sure that they have plenty food supply when they run out, because the chances of running out of food before the end of an event day is very great. Dates. The event is from October 19th to 25th, giving a few days to set up and a few days to strike the event designs. The actual performance days are 3 days from the 21-25. Music will be set in a form of mix depending on artist, but close to the structure of mix means any artists that have music or performances that can fit into the rotation but may not be classified as any of these genres. Audience can either buy just food event tickets or music performance tickets or both. Food Festival, the SOFOMU. The Food Festival of SOFOMU is the character of great foods from communities around the world all in one event. Guests are invited to purchase passes just for the food portion of the festival and receive complimentary dishes and tastes and merch, or they can purchase combo tickets which gives them access to both the food festival and the music festival. Special VIP tents require group purchases of a minimum of 6 people and event insurance for 1 day or for all days of the event. Concert VIP tents are available to a minimum of 6 occupants. Tents include storage tray of assorted beverages, food, furnishings, private bath hut and concert monitors so guests can experience the concert with the luxury in their tents or come stage side to the special section of the stage. VIP tickets also receive a festival merch package and exclusive surrounds with guest artist and streaming events throughout the year up to and after the festival. Great bargain and financing is available. Buy early for a 20% discount.